Section 7.1c. In these sections, we will learn how to find the equations of circle with different given conditions. Here, there are two methods to find the equations of a circle. Actually, these skills involve what we have learned in the previous two sections, is to find the equations in standard form or to express the equations of circle in general form. Let me introduce the first method. We call the forward method. Here, we will try to find two pieces of information about the circle. We have to find first the center and second the radius of the circle. Then we can use the center form or center radius form to find the equation of circle. Second, we will use the method we call backward method. Here, we try to use the general form reversely. A very important step is you let x squared plus y squared plus dx plus dy plus f equals 0 be the equations of circle. And then you try to apply the informations in the questions or the given points in the questions to set up three equations in three unknowns and try to solve for the unknown constant d, e, f. Let's study example 6 first. Here you are asked to find the equation of circle with the ends of the diameter 1,4 and 3,6 respectively. For these types of questions, usually it is better to sketch what happened. Try to sketch the circle and put the information given in the questions on it. So here we have the diameter of the circle with endpoints 1,4 and 3,6 respectively, and diameters pass through HK. So for this case, it is easier to find the center and radius. We can use method 1, the forward method. So first, we try to find the center by using midpoint formula. Here we have h equals 1 plus 3 over 2 and k equals 4 plus 6 over 2. So the coordinates of the centers are 2, 5. Second, we can find the radius. It is just half the length of the distance between the two endpoints of the diameter. So by using distance formula, you can find the length of the diameter, and half of it will be the radius. So after simplifications, you get this is actually root x over 2. So simplify the third, you will get radius is root 2. So finally, you can write down the equations of circle is x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square equals root 2 whole square. And then you can take this as the final answer, or you can further rewrite it in general form. Both are acceptable. Now, please try quick practice 7.x as classwork. You can pause your video and do on your notebook. Then let's try another example, example 7. For these questions, you have to find the equations of circle again, which passes through the points A, B, and C. And for this case, we will use the backward method, method 2, to try. A very important step of using this method is to net the equations in general form. And we have the unknown D, E, F. These are the three unknown constants that we have to solve to find the equations of circle. Here, because A, B, and C lies on the circumference of the circle, so all the 3 points satisfy the equations. So we can substitute 0, 0, point B, and substitute A, -1, -1, and also substitute C, 1, 3 into the equation of circle in general form. Here, for the first one, we choose to substitute B, 0, 0 first, because you can see after we sub 0, 0 into D and X into X and Y respectively, then D and E will be eliminated, and then you can find the values of F is equal to 0. After you find F, then it is no longer an unknown. So we can choose to substitute A or C into the equations. Here we have -1 squared plus -1 squared plus D times -1 plus E times -1 plus F. F is 0 into the equations. So here you will, after simplifications, you get the linear equations in two unknowns, D and E. And similarly, for the third point C, you substitute into the equations. And then after simplifications, you will have D plus 3E equals -10. And then we label them as equation 1 and equation 2. And actually, you can just use the program in your calculator to solve the equation 1 and equation 2. And after solving, or just use method of elimination or substitutions, you can find, say, 1 minus 2. You can find -2E equals 12. So E is -6. And so D is 2 minus -6. You got 8. And after you find the values of the three unknowns, D, E, and F, you can write your answer. So you have the equations of the circle is x squared plus y squared plus 8x minus 6y equals 0. Now it's your turn. Try to do some more questions on using the backward method. Please try quick practice 7.7. And also question 16 from exercise 7A. It may take you some time to finish question 16, but do try yourself first before you check the solutions. 做好 exercise 7A 第16題未呢？呢題呢應該呢比之前做嗰兩題呢係會難啲嘅。咁其實呢個原則都係一樣。如果你有3點已知喺個圓周上邊呢，喺個圓上邊，咁你第一件事呢，就 就梗係 let 咗個 general form be the equation of circle 先啦。咁同樣地，因為呢個圓穿過呢3點啦，咁你就可以做3次嘅 substitutions， 將呢3點代入去條式度，咁你就會有 three equations, three unknowns in D, E and F。咁你就嘗試去 solve 佢哋啦。咁不過呢題難啲呢，因為你發現呢個3點嘅坐標呢都冇00，或者冇是但一點有坐標 x 或者 y 係0，咁所以就難 solve 啲。咁點做呢？咁其實都係嘗試用一啲我哋學過嘅方法去做，就係呢，我哋識 solve two equations in two unknowns 嘅，係啦。如果係 linear 嘅或者 quadratic 你都識嘅。咁所以我哋嘗試呢，就將3條式首先變做2條式同埋2個未知數先。咁喺呢題數可以點做呢？你就可以將首先最容易處理呢係個 F 嘅。咁你將2式減1式同埋3式減1式，咁基本上呢就可以整走個 F， 咁就剩翻呢2條 equations in unknown D 同 E。 咁你撳計數機或者好簡單做加減，咁你就會 solve 到個 E 同埋 D。 咁你 solve 到 D 同 E， 咁你就將 D 同 E 嘅 value 代入翻去1、2、3是但一條式呢，你就可以計埋個 F 啦。咁你就可以將啲 F 代入翻你 let 嗰條 equations of circle in general form。 咁呢個呢就係答案啦。好啦，我哋轉一轉 channel 先。咁我而家用中文試下解一條 level 2嘅數，就係 example X， 係你書嘅 exercise 7A question 24。咁我哋一齊睇下呢條題目先。咁佢就話幅圖呢入邊有一條 straight line L， x 減 2y 等於6，就 intersecting x-axis and y-axis at A and B respectively。咁其實都畫咗俾你㗎啦，咁就係呢2點 A 點同 B 點。而家呢，你就要揾 equation of circle 穿過 origin O、A、B 呢3點。咁喺呢條題目入邊，你會用 forward method 定 backward method 呢？喺呢度我哋已經知道呢 origin 嘅坐標係00啦。而 A 喺 x 軸上邊，所以佢就係 something 0，而 B 喺 y 軸上邊，佢就係0 something 啦。咁所以如果你可以 solve 到 A、B 嘅坐標有晒3點，咁你就可以用 backward method 嚟到去揾呢個 equations of circle。咁喺呢條題目入邊，因為 A、B 都係喺 straight line L 上邊，所以呢，我哋可以好容易呢就揾到 A、B 嘅坐標，就係去 put 翻 y 係0 into the equations of L， 咁同埋 put x 係0 into the equations of L， 咁你就會好容易計到呢 x 呢就係6，咁所以 A 嘅坐標呢就係60。而同樣地，當你代 x 係0 into equation of L 呢，咁呢你就會有 y 呢就係-3，所以 B 嘅 coordinates 呢就係0、-3。好啦，咁如果而家你已經知晒1點、2點、3點嘅坐標，咁你就可以用 forward backward method 2嚟到去揾個 equation of circle。你就咁 let 翻 x 二次加 y 二次加 dx 加 ey 加 f 等於0 be the equations of circle。 跟住呢，就塞翻嗰3點嘅坐標入去呢條 equations， 再去揾 unknown constant D、E、F three equations three unknowns 咁去 solve， 咁你就揾到個答案啦。咁其實呢條數呢，我哋亦都可以呢試下用 forward method 去做。 咁要用 forward method 咧，我哋就需要知道兩樣嘢，就係 centre 同埋 radius of the circle。咁喺呢條題目個 circle 同 個 centre 同 radius 點揾呢？有啲咩特別嘅 information 呢？咁我哋一齊睇下。喺呢條 question 入邊呢，我哋有 O、A、B 三點喺個圓周上邊。呢三點嘅位置有啲咩關係呢？咁呢，我都要自問自答啦。希望你都睇到。咁角 AOB 呢，就其實係90度，係90 degree。咁代表啲乜嘢呢？如果角 AOB 係90度嘅，咁即係 AB 呢，就會係呢個圓嘅 diameter。咁如果 AB 係呢個圓嘅 diameter 嘅，咁即係我哋可以揾到個 centre 啦。咁 AB 係 diameter，而兩點坐標有知呢，我哋亦都揾到 radius。所以呢條數呢，我哋其實呢都可以用 method 1去做嘅。咁我哋一齊睇下啦。喺呢度我哋要寫少少嘢先。Because angle AOB is 90 degree, so we can conclude AB is the diameter。 記唔記得個原因係咩呢？就係 converse of angle in semicircle 啦，就整一條 straight line 係圓嘅直徑。好啦，喺呢度咁我哋呢就可以 go ahead 用 forward method 去揾個 centre 同 radius。咁 A 係60，B 係03，咁所以個 centre 又係用 midpoint formula 6+0/2同埋0加-3/2。咁你就可以寫到嗰個 centre 嘅坐標呢，就係3-3/2。Second 揾 radius， 咁同樣地 A、B diameter 兩個 endpoints 個坐標你係知嘅，咁所以 half the distance of AB 就會係個 radius 啦。咁用 distance formula again 啦，或者用不是定理都得。咁你就會計到個 radius。simplify 咗之後呢，就會係 √45/2。咁喺呢度未係最後答案，所以呢，我哋唔 simplify 個 set 都 OK 嘅。咁最後第3就可以寫返個 equations of circle in standard form。咁就會有 x 減3 whole square 加 y 減-3/2 whole square 等於 radius whole square。咁 simplify 你就會有 x 減3 2次加 y 加3/2 2次等於45/4。咁呢個呢，都已經可以係個 answer 嚟㗎啦。咁當然啦，你亦都可以將佢 expand， 將啲 coefficients 變返做 integers， 或者用呢個 general form 嚟到表示個答案。咁記得呢，一邊寫做等於0，同埋啲 coefficients 係 integers 就可以啦。咁無論個 answer 係 standard form 或者 general form 都係可以嘅。咁呢個 section 呢，你就要操熟啲點樣去揾 equation of circle， 先可以去學下一個 section 嘅嘢。咁所以呢，請你係啦，呢幾日呢返去呢，因為話喺屋企呢，就完成呢幾條 questions。咁23、25深少少，但係其實係比較似 DSE type questions 嘅，有啲 explain your answer。咁我呢度呢，有2個 tips 俾大家。咁你哋可以參考下去做，或者自己試完唔識先睇返呢2個 tips。 咁呢堂呢就完啦。咁勤力啲做好啲 daily exercise，如果唔係之後嗰2個 section 呢就會難跟啲㗎啦。拜拜。